Today for letter formation, we're going to do capital letters again. We're going to do some tall line letters. So you might remember in class we talked about this. Most of our capital letters are tall line letters. So where are they going to start? At the top baseline. So I have to look at my book for my capital letters. I don't remember them as well as I do my lowercase letters, how to form them. So for our capital B, we're going to start at the top baseline. So raise pencil on the top baseline. And you're going to pull a line straight down to the baseline. You're going to lift your pencil, touch your starting spot, and you're going to imagine a clock between the top baseline and the dotted line. So we're going to make a short dash line. It's hard to see it because it blends in with the top baseline. Make a short dash line on the top baseline, curve down to touch 2 on your clock, touch 4 on your clock, and then make a short dash stroke towards our first line. Then you're going to retrace your dash stroke, and then you're going to curve down, touch 2, touch 4, touch the baseline, and make another dash stroke towards our first line. So you notice how my bottom circle, the bottom part, is a little bit smaller than my top part. They should be about the same size. I'm just writing sideways, so it's hard to see if they're the same size or not. Okay, now we're going to do a capital D. It's also a tall line letter. So we are going to start at the top baseline. Is everybody's pencil on the top baseline? You should be writing these along with me. So pull a line down to the baseline. Then you're going to pick up your pencil and touch the starting spot. And we're going to imagine a clock between the top baseline and the baseline this time. So it's going to be a bigger clock. So touch our starting spot. Make a short dash stroke on the top baseline. Curve down, touch 2, touch our 4, which is way down here. Touch our baseline and make another dash stroke towards our first line. Okay, our next letter is going to be a capital E. So again, we're going to touch the top baseline and pull a line straight down to touch the baseline. Without lifting your pencil, you're going to make a dash stroke the width of a space. So we're going to do our bottom line first. Then we're going to pick up our pencil, touch the starting spot, and make another dash stroke the width of a space. It's hard to see mine because they blend in with the other lines. And then you're going to pick up your pencil again, touch the dotted line at our first line stroke, and make a short dash stroke the width of half of a space. So this middle one's going to be shorter than our top and bottom line. Mine blends in with the dotted line, so it looks like it is part of it. So the top line and the bottom line are, the top line and the bottom line are longer than the middle line. All right, our next one is a lot like our capital E. It's a capital F. So we're going to touch the top baseline, pull a line straight down to the baseline. This time you're going to pick up your pencil, touch our starting spot, and make a dash stroke the width of a clock stroke, the width of a space. Maybe I should have used a different color so you could see it better so it doesn't blend in with the line. Let's see. Then you're going to pick up your pencil again and touch the dotted line at the line stroke, and you're going to make a dash stroke the width of a clock stroke. Half of a clock stroke. So this one's shorter than the top one again. Does yours look like mine? All right, we're going to do 2 more letters. Actually, just 1 more letter. We're going to do a capital H. So for a capital H, we're going to touch the top baseline again and pull a line straight down to the baseline. And we're going to pick up our pencil, and touch the top baseline a space away from the starting spot. So you're going to look at our starting spot and do a space away and pull a line straight down to touch the baseline again. And you're going to pick up your pencil and touch the dotted line where our first line stroke is. So touch it where it meets the first line stroke. And you're going to make a dash stroke to touch our second line. Okay. Mine look very crooked today. I need my big whiteboard so I can write straight, not sideways. So hopefully yours look a little bit better than mine. Nice job today.